3 days ago, a company you have probably never heard of quietly made millions of jobs completely obsolete. And the craziest part? No one is talking about it. While everyone was distracted by silly AI image generators, the tech giants were building something terrifying: autonomous AI agents. And they are already here. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are breaking down the biggest shift in artificial intelligence since the launch of ChatGPT. We aren't talking about chatbots that help you write emails anymore. We are talking about digital workers. Imagine having an employee who works 24 hours a day, never asks for a raise, and can learn a new programming language in 3 seconds. That is what an autonomous agent is. And if you don't understand how they work right now, you are going to be left behind. To understand why this is so dangerous, you have to understand the difference between a chatbot and an agent. A chatbot is reactive. It waits for you to type a prompt. If you ask it to build a website, it gives you the code, but you still have to copy it, paste it, fix the bugs, and host it. An agent is proactive. You give it a goal, like build and launch a website. The agent then breaks that goal down into steps, opens its own browser, writes the code, tests the code, realizes it made a mistake, goes to Stack Overflow to read how to fix it, and deploys the site. All while you are sleeping. So, who is actually at risk here? The short answer: anyone whose job entirely exists on a computer. Junior software developers, data analysts, and researchers are seeing the value of their skills drop to zero overnight. But here is the massive opportunity. For the first time in history, a single person can operate $1 million company from their bedroom. You don't need a team of 10 people anymore. You just need to be the manager of a team of 10 AI agents. The transition from human labor to agent labor is happening right now, whether we are ready for it or not. The only question is, will you be the one managing the AI or the one replaced by it? If you want to know exactly which AI tools you need to learn right now to secure your income, click the video on your screen right now. We break down the top 5 tools you can start using today. See you there.